Watch out, Hayden.
I'm gonna fly a little bit.
Easy.
Oh, you're getting the turn.
And
That's pretty good, Harrison.
that looks
Look
pretty good.
at that.
That's a good hover. Excellent. All right. Full blast. Yeah, you can feel the air from it.
Oh, he's doing it. He didn't even need that back.
What's that, guys? Get away from it.
Oh, good. Good. He's doing good. He's doing good.
Oh, stay away from it like that. Don't. Yep. That is so cool, man.
Hovering. Look out.
About to run out.
Are you full blast now?
Yeah, I'm full blast.
Don't try and hit it. It almost sounds like a real helicopter.
Full blast. This landing is full blast.
See if you land it perfectly.
Full blast, man.
That is so cool.
Dad, can I drive it?